guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look right here using the Norvina palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you guys want to know what I think about this palette and how I got this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload. And I do have a giveaway going on. I will link it up here. It's a back to school giveaway, so make sure to enter. You have until August 16. And let's get started with the tutorial. I am doing a tutorial with the new Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It does retail for $42. It's only available at the website anastasiabeverlyhills.com. Here it is. And you do get a brush, which I love. I always use these brushes. They are very handy. You get on one side the blender and then on the other side a smudger. I love to use this part for the lower lash line. The first shade that I'm going to use today is Incense, which is this one here. It's a brown shade. I'm just using this BH Cosmetics brush. It's just a little blender. I'm going to use that all over the crease. Ooh, so a little goes a long way. The next shade that we're gonna take is Soul, which is right here. The Peri-Wrinkle color. I've been wanting to use this color so bad. It matches my shirt, as you can see. With that, I'm gonna use another brush. This is the MAC 217. I'm gonna take that a little bit lower than the other shade. Have the other brush with you as well, because we're going to blend that out. Keep blending, keep blending. These colors are a little bit not harder to work with, but you just have to be blending more. And these definitely blend better than the MAC ones that I used. I don't know if you guys watched that video, which was the Patrick Star. The next shade that I'm going to use is Passion, which is over here. At the outer corner over here. It's an alright color. I don't think it mixes well with the other shades. The last shade that I want to use is Celestial. This one here. I'm just gonna point at it because I suck at pronouncing it. I'm gonna use it first dry and then we'll see how it works. Yeah, you can't really see that. So now we're gonna wet it with MAC Fix Plus. You see all that fallout? You definitely have to do your eyes first and then your face. But you know me, I'm a rebel. And now I'm gonna take a clean brush. This is the Morphe E30 and just blend everything out. I like it, it's just not my favorite. I don't know, it didn't blend good. So I'm gonna do the other side off camera and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line and then the lashes and then the lipstick at the end. So I'll be right back. I have my other eye done, as you can see. These shadows are a little bit harder to work with. I would not recommend for anyone starting out in the makeup field. They are very powdery. I think if you really treat them bad, you will hit pan right away. So make sure you're gentle with them. Just tap. Don't go like this. I know this looks like it hurts, and it does. Look at that. I got a sunburn. I went to Comic-Con. I forgot to put on sunscreen. Make sure you guys put on sunscreen. Now I'm just gonna do the lower lash line, which I'm going to use the brush that I came with. And I'm gonna jump into Soul. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Shiseido curlers. They are the best. This reminds me of that MAC tutorial that I did. It kind of has like the same colors as the Patrick Star collection with MAC. I'm gonna apply the lashes. I'm using the Cocoa lashes in Queen Bee. Everyone stop talking about these. They forgot about these gems right here. Aren't they beautiful? For the lips, I'm using this KKW Beauty lip liner in shade 2. And then I'm going to use this KKW Beauty lipstick in nude 1. This is the #1 shade. And then after that, I go in with my Melted Matte Too Faced liquid lipstick in the shade Holy Cheek. I do have the gloss from Mama Star Kiss, which was from the Patrick Star collection. You can add that in the middle if you want. I'm not like wowed by it. It's just an okay palette. Like if I was to rate this palette, I would give it a B because of the fallout, and the pigmentation is there, but I don't know. I feel like they don't blend well together, and you just have to be really careful with it. It's not as bad as the Subculture. You know how everyone hated that. The first one that I love is the Soft Glam, then it's the Modern Renaissance, then this one, and then the Subculture. If you're a makeup junkie, definitely buy it. But if you don't need it and you're not a makeup junkie, I suggest you save your money. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. I know I had fun filming. So make sure to give it a thumbs up if you want more makeup tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.